In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Outlook. To get started, open your web browser and go to Microsoft.com. This is the official Microsoft website, and it's the safest place to begin when you want to access Outlook. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct Microsoft site before entering any account information. That helps you avoid fake or misleading login pages. When you're on the Microsoft homepage, look for the Sign In option and click it. This will take you to the Microsoft login page where you can enter the details for your Outlook account. If you already use other Microsoft services like OneDrive, Teams, or Office, this is the same type of sign-in process. Next, click into the email field and type in your Outlook email address. Be careful to enter it correctly, including the full address. A small typo here can stop the login process or send you to the wrong account. Once your email address is entered, click Next to continue. On the following screen, you'll be asked for your password. Enter your password carefully in the password field. Since passwords are hidden as you type, it's a good idea to go slowly and double check for mistakes if you have trouble signing in. Make sure no one else can see your screen while you do this, especially if you're using a shared or public device. After entering your password, click Next or Continue, depending on what appears on your screen. If your account details are correct, Microsoft should sign you in and take you into Outlook. From there, you'll be able to access your inbox, read emails, send messages, and use other Outlook features. In some cases, Microsoft may ask for an extra verification step before completing the sign-in. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish accessing your account. This is a normal security feature designed to protect your email. If you're signing in on your own personal computer, you may also see an option asking whether you want to stay signed in. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your situation. On a private device, staying signed in can save time. On a shared computer, it's usually better not to. And that's it. Once you've completed those steps, you should be successfully logged in to Microsoft Outlook. If the sign-in doesn't work the first time, check your email address and password for typing errors, then try again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log in quickly and easily.